Happy New Year, everybody. This is Marley, and welcome back to Gardening in Kentucky YouTube channel. So I'm getting busy today because I need to prepare my garlic cloves to get planted in the ground. I know it's a little bit late, but in my area, which is Zone 7A Kentucky, it is still possible to plant garlic in the ground. We've been having warmer weather than usual, so the ground is still workable. So if ever you're in a situation where you have forgotten or you just didn't have the time to plant your garlic in the fall, which like in my area, it's like end of October, early November, would be the perfect time to plant them. It's still fine to plant them in January as long as you can work your soil. Then it is possible to plant your garlic. Now, here I have some hardneck garlic, which works good in my area. If you're in a warmer climate, you might want to plant softneck garlic. This variety is called Music, which I got from an Amish farm. So this is really, really good. We've been using a lot of this for cooking. I saved some big ones though to be used for planting. So I'm going to show you like the difference between a small and a big one. And say, for example, okay, so you see this too? Let me show you a little bit closer. And this is not even the smallest that I have. See that? So if you're trying to decide which garlic to save for planting, I would say pick the bigger one. So this one would be a good seed garlic because you will get bigger garlic during harvest time. Now I'm going to show you some that I have separated already. So let's move this a little bit closer. One right here. And this one, when I separated the cloves, the cover came off. And you see there's a little green end of it. And that is totally fine. Even if this is exposed, you plant this in the ground, the pointy side up, and it's going to grow. Now, some of them, like this one, I was able to do this really good. See that? The skin did not come off. So this will go in the ground here in a little bit. I'm just waiting for it to get a little bit warmer. Today we're supposed to get 45 degrees high, and it's a sunny day. So this is a good time to plant those garlic. Now, we have some of this garlic that are rather small, like this. Let's get another one. This. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to separate the big ones. So this, like these three, these are good candidate for planting. And these ones, I'm going to take a look at them, but I'll probably just save this for cooking. And I'm going to show you what they look like when they start growing, because this garlic was not sprayed with anything. So you can see here, some of them have started growing already, which is really, really fun, especially when it's your first time to grow some garlic. And I'm telling you, garlic is one of the easiest plants to grow. You basically just have to prepare the soil, fertilize it, plant your garlic, and then wait for it to grow. So like in the winter time, you don't have to do anything to them. You don't have to water your garlic in the winter. Come spring, you need to give them some fertilizer. Feed the plant so they will grow bigger bulbs. Separating the cloves is very easy. So all you have to do is say, get this one. It's a big one. And then I'm going to just, remove this covering. It's paper thin covering. No, there's a name for this, but I can't remember what it's called. And then you just pull the cloves. Okay. And sometimes I can't help it that the covering comes off, and that's fine. So these two will be for planting. Not all of the cloves from the garlic head will be planted because I don't usually plant the small ones. So these two are big. See that? So they will be planted. Now this, let's take a look at this. One of them is big. However, there's a tiny one, like a baby garlic right here. So this tiny one will not be planted because this will result to a smaller plant, but this bigger one can go in the ground. And so I'm just going to continue peeling this off. And I am hoping to get around 500 garlic cloves to be planted in the ground. So if you haven't decided yet, if you would like to plant your garlic this time, give it a chance and see what happens. If you don't get good bulbs, you can still use the garlic plant for your cooking. That's going to be all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Happy gardening!